All right, if you're carrying credit card debt, you're gonna wanna watch this entire video because I'm gonna explain the importance of eliminating it first, especially if you're investing. And also, I wanna share with you how I just did this with $4,000 in credit card debt in less than 60 days. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, macroeconomics. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content, and let's just jump right in. So I've been investing heavily, and as most of us know that are in the crypto space, the market hasn't done what we thought it was going to do. And while I've been investing, I had this idea that I was going to wait for price appreciation to pay down some of the debt that I was holding. And so in the meantime, I was just paying the bare minimum on my credit cards. Now, when I zoomed out and I looked at what it was costing me to carry the debt, the juice wasn't worth the squeeze. And I'll just give you some examples using basic numbers so you can see the math. So let's say you have $10,000 in credit card debt and the credit card is at 20% interest. That is roughly $2,000 a year in interest that is being just given away to the credit card companies simply for holding that debt. Now, even if you were to invest that same $10,000, you would have to earn more than 20% to have a profit there. And so while I have been investing regularly, I was like, man, I'm not getting enough of an ROI to make it worth it. So at that point, I made a decision that the cards that I was carrying the minimum balance or paying the minimum balances on, that I was just going to eliminate them. And I'll use one example of a $4,000 credit card that I had. The minimum payment was somewhere around 130 bucks or something. I don't remember. So it didn't feel bad for me to just pay that minimum payment every month. But once I made this decision, here's how I approached it. And again, this is just in general if you're carrying credit card debt. I was fortunate to have some cash available, so I actually put down $2,000 just to knock the debt down in half. And I understand not everybody's in this position, but what I'm going to share with you works whether you have the money available or not. And so if you don't have the cash available to throw at it, don't worry. I threw the $2,000 at it. But here's where it got really fun and how I was able to eliminate the debt in 60 days. I literally went through my garage, and I have a storage area at one of my businesses, and I found anything and everything that I wasn't using that I thought that I would be able to sell on Facebook Marketplace. I sold a pair of soccer cleats that I've had in a box for probably 15 years. Sold them for 20 bucks. They were just sitting in my garage in a box titled sports. It was like sports stuff. I sold old headphones. I had a couple of old iPads. Those sold really well. But you get the point. What I did is every dollar that I made from these sales on Facebook Marketplace, I immediately took it to the bank. I deposited it into my account and I paid it towards the card. And looking back over 60 days, and it was under 60 days, it was like $100, $130, $20, $200, everything that I could throw at it, I threw at it. And once I got started, I started finding creative ways to sell things on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, I'm trying to think of the most outlandish thing that I sold that I had zero thought that anybody would buy. Nothing's coming to the top of my head at the moment, but there were things that I was like, man, there's no way somebody's going to buy this. Take a picture, put it on Facebook Marketplace, put a price, and you would be surprised. So if you are currently carrying debt, please pay off your credit card debt. Do not give away this free money and interest. Use the Facebook Marketplace strategy. If you have other options of cash flow, obviously that's great. Do that as well. You can use, money that you're earning from your job. But sometimes that needs to go towards bills and other living necessities. And so that's why I share the idea of Facebook Marketplace. But do what you can to make this happen. Eliminate it as fast as you can, especially if you're investing. My strategy was to pause the investing and go all in on the credit card debt. And man, it's freed up so much cash flow for me. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you. I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you carrying credit card debt? What's holding you back from paying it off? Do you need help? If so, drop me a comment. I'd love to continue the conversation. And until next time, we'll talk soon.